Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to remove WhatsApp business on your phone without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your settings. So I'm going to click on my phone settings right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for users and accounts. So simply click on that. They take you right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and make sure you look for WhatsApp business. So click on WhatsApp business, it's take you right here. So lastly, what you need to do here is to simply click on remove account. Once you remove account, your account is going to be permanently removed and deleted from that particular phone. It's as simple as that. So I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.